John here, we're back again with Kevin here, and Kevin's going through the process and he's showing us how to install. These are the joists which are made, they're a polymer product, they're not going to absorb any water, and what Kevin's done here, this is a mask, or basically a template, which will ensure that we get an exact distance in between each. This is a, what's this called now? This is just below the bar, and what Kevin's done, he's drilled this, and that will ensure that we've got exactly the same distance between each hole. And what's the distance on this?
14.5 centimeters.
14.5 centimeters, and basically the recommendation is not to go more than 400 mil on the joist side of things. So, Kev, carry on, please. Sorry to hold you up. And these are the spacing blocks to ensure an exact measure. And what you'll find is, in comparison to wood, that once these holes are drilled, they're not going to be compromised in the same way as what wood would, softwood, any softwood decking system. Okay. So what are these, Kev? These here now. These are, Luke?
This is for the finishing.
Yeah, for the outside trims.
Yeah, for the outside.
Okay, sorry, Kev.
Ah, that's good.
Well, that looks simple, doesn't it?
Yes.
I'm just going to help these guys here. So we put this trim on here.
Yes, help me, please.
No problem. Oh. Oh, wrong way.
Okay.
And the official name for this outer trim on this, what do you call this?
We call this the DBA finishing.
Okay.
So.
And it's good to cut?
It's good to cut. It's
what sort of blade? We talked about this before, didn't
yeah, you just use a circular saw, just the usual you would use to cut your wood.
And you get a nice finish with it?
Oh, exactly, you do.
And for our viewers, our installer will bring the screws and the boxes along to every installation, of course. So that's the clip going down into the hole that we've drilled. Okay.
So you take it to two sides.
Yeah. And that's gone down. You know, how long are these screws then, Luke?
45 millimeters.
Okay. And there is a link on YouTube where our customers can go and see
the
a full installation.
Process.
Okay.
Exactly. On YouTube, you just type in Nomawood, you'll find what you need.
And that's an animated installation, but here we've got
the
hands
on,
and how
exactly.
it's really done. Okay.
And the screw.
Okay, so you haven't had to put a pilot hole, drilled a small hole for there. You've gone. So these screws will cut into this product as well.
Yeah, they're
okay.
Well,
they're self-cutting
screws, and they're designed for our product.
Okay.
So we just sell this type of screws with them because we know they work perfectly fine.
And there's no chance of this splitting at all.
No.
Okay, there you have it. So, nothing visually?
No, you at the end of the day, you're not going to see any screws or any clips.
And no deterioration of the fixtures on top?
No.
Fantastic. Sorry, mate.
Now you're starting decking.
Okay. And you always recommend a gap between?
Yes.
Yeah, we recommend a small gap in between.
Okay.
And, well, it's for you to see, but just with your eyes, look that it's almost the same size. We recommend that because our board is not 100% flat. The board is in 96%.
Okay.
So, but this is done on purpose. So if it rains, the rain will go down there and doesn't stay on the board.
Absolutely. So
And with this subframe, there is nothing with what is going to rot. So if you put wood as a subframe, then down it could rot.
well, that's really. I gotta say, that's really neat, isn't it?
Yeah.
It looks almost perfect.
Well, it's a whole hands-on kit.
Can I help you, Kev?
Yes, please.
There we are. All right, here we go. You on? You can carry on.
Good job.
Thank you. My pleasure. So you put another screw in as well on each clip again?
No, just in the middle.
How often?
Every board. You should do.
And on here?
No, not on here. This just.
So over, I would say for instance, over a 3.6 meter length board, how many times did you put that extra screw? Only one screw? Okay.
It's for the distance.
Okay.
And you have this here, this slide.
So it doesn't slide or doesn't move.
I get, so only one screw?
Gets fixed.
Okay, no problem at all.
Fixed in the middle.
Thank you, sir. Want to help my colleague here? Oh, there we are. So no pilot holes, just a basic simple clip. And then, Kev, on here?
Yes.
So basically at a 45? And basically, that one screw is going to stop the boards going left or right, okay?
And now the final.
Radio. Well, I like this. And what's this colour called, Luke?
This color is called Provence.
Provence.
Yeah.
Quite an exotic name, yeah?
It is.
If you need some Provence in your garden, you need to go to your website.
nmcuk.co.uk or just contact our colleague from Green Top Landscape.
Well, there you have it. This is John, Luke, Kevin and Alison behind the camera at the National Home Build Show in Birmingham. Looking good.